Hey guys, welcome to the video number 2 of affiliate marketing. Okay, so in the first part I have shown you my profile, like how much I am earning through affiliate marketing, and I have also discussed some of the marketplace, like some of the affiliate marketing programs where you can earn a lot of money. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you how you can join an affiliate program. So I will show you a step-by-step process to earn passive income through affiliate marketing. So if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, here you just have to go to your browser and you can just search for Partnerstick. Okay, so this is not the only affiliate marketing website. There are a lot of different websites. You can join any website. So I have been working with Partnerstick for the last 2 years, so I will show you how you can join Partnerstick and apply for different affiliate programs. Okay, so first of all, you have to create your account here. Just go to the website. So if you want to see further details about Partnerstick, then you can just do from their website. Okay, so I will show you how you can just sign up for Partnerstick. Here you can just click on this login. Okay, and as you don't have any account, so you will have to click on the sign up, and here just give your email address, enter your first name and last name here, and here in the business name, like if you are a content creator, like you may have a YouTube channel, then you can just write the YouTube channel's name here, or if you have a blog website, then you can just write it here. Okay, so my account is created within seconds, and here you can see Partnerstick has picked some of the programs for me. Okay, so to see further details about the program, I can just click on this view details, but I just want to show you the entire marketplace. So to explore the marketplace, just click here and you will get bunch of different affiliate programs here. Okay, so like here you can see, if you will promote this website and you will get a sale, then you will get 20% of every sale. Okay, and for Moosen, here you can see the recurring commission is up to 40%, and you can further search for different programs by just scrolling down here, and you can just select any program you want. Okay, so I have signed up for one program, which is Omniscient. Okay, and here you can see my status, and with 20% recurring commission, I have got these withdrawals. Once you will get the money in your account, then you can withdraw through Stripe or PayPal. Okay, so that's how you can join Partnerstick and earn passive income. I will make more videos on affiliate marketing, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing.